Hi guys. So I'm just going to try to make a little milkshake. I've never made it before, so who knows how it's going to turn out. Wish me luck. So we have the KitchenAid blender. I think it's the 400 series. Now I know these look pretty bad, but I don't know if they're still going to be good when I open them or not, so we're going to find that out. But what happened was I was told that I should scrub the bottoms and up at the tops to try to prevent fruit flies. And so I figured, so I ran it under the water doing that, scrub. And I figured, oh, well, I can do the yellow part too. Well, there's what happened when I used the brush on the yellow part. So next time I'll just rinse the yellow part and scrub the ends. So let's see if these are usable. Oh yeah, look. I can add those. I'm just going to break them up. Let's see what we can get off of this one. That looks like we're good enough. I hope my video turns out okay. It's been so long since I've done one. It's a pint of blueberries. Peeling an apple. So I managed to peel an apple. I'm not a very good apple peeler, but got this one here done okay, I guess. Probably cut off way more than I needed to, but I'll tell you one thing. I've tried several different apple peelers, and if you got like more than one pie to make or something, you got to peel one. I bought the Starfrit apple peeler. That works the best. I've got the air conditioning on today. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Temperature's supposed to go up to about 40 or 41. That's Celsius. That's well over 100 Fahrenheit. But I do have the air conditioner on. Actually, I have two air conditioners on. Don't get any of the core at all. This isolation was always a part of the plan. Okay. Apple. Going to now add some honey. Oh, about a teaspoon or so. Okay, I'm gonna do that now.
Breaking news.
2021. Video. Big vanilla extract with vodka and spice. There, got it. Whew. I'm going to say that's about 2 teaspoons. And now we need some milk. Oops. Okay. Yeah, that's about 2 cups. Put this onto the machine. Well, first I might as well put the cover on. I don't know if you've seen that video of mine where not with this, I had the blend tech, but their covers are rather loose, I found, and I think I might have put it on wrong, or it just came off. I'm not sure what happened there. It's only maybe 10 seconds, the whole video, that I wound up being able to save. But it's called Naughty Blend Tech, I believe it's called. Ready. I'm not sure if I have it on the smoothie setting. I definitely want that to do it over. That's probably the smoothie setting. So I'm going to turn it back on and blend for 1 minute. I had to let it go that extra long because of all the fruits that are in there. We wanted it to hopefully get all blended up. So let's find out if it did or not. And let's find out what it tastes like. Might be going right down the drain. Actually not bad. Pretty good. I think 2 apples next time because I'm tasting some of the blueberry and I'm tasting some of the banana. I'm going to put the rest of it into the fridge to get cold. So I'll write down what I did here. And yeah, it turned out not too bad though, if you want to give it a try. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching. And sorry about the long delay. I don't know when I'll be coming back, but hopefully it'll be soon.